In this video, I'll guide you through how to forward multiple emails in Gmail. If you've ever needed to send a whole conversation or several related messages to someone else, doing it one by one can be frustrating and time-consuming. Instead, Gmail has a handy feature that lets you forward several emails at once, bundled together as attachments inside a single message. That's exactly what we're going to walk through step by step. First, start by opening your Gmail inbox in your web browser. Make sure you're looking at the main list of emails, not inside a single email thread. You'll see your messages listed in rows with a small checkbox on the left side of each email. This is what you'll use to pick which messages you want to forward. Now go ahead and select multiple emails in your inbox. To do this, click the checkbox next to each email you want to include. You can select messages that are related to the same topic, from the same sender, or any group that makes sense for what you're trying to share. If you accidentally select the wrong email, just click that checkbox again to deselect it. Take a moment to review what you've selected because every checked email will be attached and forwarded together. Once you've chosen your emails, look toward the top of your inbox above the list of messages. You'll see a row of icons and options. Among these, find the option labeled More, which appears as 3 vertical dots. This More menu can sometimes be easy to overlook because it's just an icon, but it's important here. With your emails still selected, click on the 3 dots to open the menu. When the menu opens, you'll see several actions you can take with your selected emails. From this list, choose the option that says Forward as Attachment. Clicking this tells Gmail that you want all the messages you selected to be included as separate attached files in one new email. Gmail will automatically open a new message window for you with each of the selected emails added as an attachment, usually in the form of .eml files. Now that the new email window is open, it's time to enter the recipient. Click into the To field at the top and type the email address of the person or people you want to send these messages to. If you need to copy someone else, you can also use the CC or BCC fields as you normally would. It's a good idea to add a clear subject line that explains what these attached emails are about so the recipient knows what to expect. Before sending, take a moment to review the body of the email. You can add a short explanation of why you're forwarding these messages or highlight anything important they should pay attention to. Also, double-check the list of attachments to make sure all the right emails are included and nothing is missing. When everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Send the email, click the Send button, and Gmail will deliver one message that contains all of the selected emails as attachments. The recipient can open each attached email to see the original content, including who it was from and when it was sent. That's all there is to it. By using the Forward as Attachment feature, you can quickly and neatly share multiple emails at once without cluttering someone's inbox with separate forwards.